whiskers in the morning light, soft little paws stepping so bright, golden eyes shining like the stars. You heal my world without a scar. When you curl up next to me, life feels calm, life feels free. In your purr I find my home, no more lonely nights alone. Oh, little paws, big, big heart, you love me right from the start. Through every fall, through every scar, you're my sunshine where you are. Meow, meow, melody so sweet, tiny steps and tiny feet in this world so wild and far. You're my little superstar. Climbing mountains, chasing dreams,